Alright guys, say you have this issue. Most people probably have this issue with older games, or some games, when they're running multiple displays. I'm also going to show you guys how to do something on a single display, which is also good for a multiple display. So, say you want to watch other streamers and talk to them at the same time, but here's what happens while playing games. Here's what happens. You try to go over to the next, and you keep like, it's not letting you, even though, So what you do is you disable full screen right there. It's done, or whatever in your game. This is for this game. You just close out, go to properties, go to set launch options, and then do, instead of launch options in general from properties, you do pop-up negative, pop-up window, press OK, close, and you rerun the game. Okay, so just make sure that your resolution you set to 1080, and all that, save that, and then when you restart it, you can click out, second display, you can talk, do whatever you want, and then you can go back to the game. Also, I want to show you this last thing that I will put a link in the description for. It's all called always on top, in case you want to put something on top of your game. You hold control, press space once while clicking on like the top of that. And what this does is it makes it on top. So go to that, put on top of this, like that, and then like you could play the game like I just clicked over here. You can play the game and have this on top while you game. Like you can have it like, you can have it like that, where you can see both the displays. You can talk here, and you can play the game. Alright, now it takes too long for this freaking thing to load, but that's basically a demonstration of how it works. Alright, hope you enjoyed. Have a good one.